maximize happiness of selected children. So this question states that given an array happiness of length n and a positive integer k. Okay. Now there are n children standing in a queue where the ith child has happiness of I. You want to select k children from these n children in k turns. Nothing but we need to just select the k children from these n children. That's it. In each turn, when you select a child, the happiness value of all the children that have not been selected till now. This is the important thing. When you select a child, the happiness value of all the children that have not been selected, till now decreases by 1. Note that the happiness value cannot become negative and gets decremented only if it is positive, right? If it is 0, then we can't decrement the value. Return the maximum sum of the happiness values of the selected children, not all the children, but selected children you can achieve by selecting k children. Let's take this example 1, 2, 3 and k is equal to 2. So the nums given as 1, 2, 3 and k is equal to 2. So we need to select 2 children. When we are selecting, we decrement the values of all the children which haven't been selected. Let us take by, you know, go by greedily. If I want to decrement all the elements but get the maximum value while selecting, I'll select the maximum values every time. I'll tell you how. I'll select this 3. By selecting this 3, except this selected element, all the values will become decremented by 1. So here 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now it will not be decremented. Okay. This is selected. These two are those which haven't been selected. Now I'll select another child. Let us take this one. Or can we take this one? Let us see. If I take this one, I would make this number as 0 because it isn't selected. Now, if I select this one, the element which haven't been selected is this element itself. So I am selecting this one. So this element is already 0. Even if we decrement it, we don't get it, right? So we need to decrement the element only by 1 if it is positive. It is 0, right? So I can't decrement it. 0, 1 and then 3. So what I just did here, I just took the maximum and then the next maximum and then the next maximum. That's it. I'll tell you with another example by taking this one 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Nums is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm saying you that select the element which is having the maximum value. Let us do that. I'm selecting the element which is maximum value, but wait a second. We have selected these two elements and we are asked for sum of selected elements. Not all the elements, just selected elements. These two are selected and it has become 1 and 3, right? So the sum will be 1 plus 3, nothing but 4. Now let us go here 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to select only one element. I am selecting this element. All these elements will become decremented by 1. 1, 2, 3 and this element will be remaining there itself. Now the element which I have selected is this element itself and I'll return 5. That's it. 5 is the answer. Now let us take another example. Nothing but we just change something. Nums is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and let me tell you k is equal to 2, right? Let us see. Let's see by taking this. Now as I said, I'll take the maximum values every time. I'm selecting this element and decrementing all the other unselected values. 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3 and this is it. Now this has been already selected. The another element which I have to select is this one, the maximum value here. If I select this, so I am selecting it, all these other will be decremented by 1, 0, 1 and then here it will be 3 itself, and here it will be 5. Now if you see, the selected elements are 3 and 5. The answer will be 8. But how can I solve this? First thing, I need to sort by decreasing order. That's what I have figured out. Decreasing order, right? Now let's take this example by making it in decreasing order. 5, 4, 3, 2, and k is equal to 2. First, this has changed to the array as 5, 3, right, wait, 3, 2, and then 1. And it has become at k is equal to 2, 5, 3, 1, and then 0. Am I right? Yes. Yes. So, what is happening here? It has become 5 and 3. But, and the next element has become 1, if you see. And the next element has become 0. Nothing but 2 minus 2 has given me 0. 3 minus 2 has given me 1. 4 minus, not minus 2. Instead, I'll tell you 4 minus 1, 5 minus 0. I'll tell you why is this happening. I have 5, 4, 3, 2, right? So I'm selecting this, and when I'm selecting it, I'm not decrementing it to anything. I'm just decrementing by 0. Now the all elements, first it will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now first k is 2, right? Now there is another operation which I need to do. I will select this. When I am selecting the element, that element decremented by 0, but all the other elements will be decremented by minus 1. That's why it decremented for minus 1, and these two have decremented for 2 times. Now imagine k is equal to 3. It will be like 5, 4, 3, 2. I will select those elements in decreasing order, right? Minus 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now I'll select this. So minus 0, all these are unselected. Minus 1 and minus 1. I'll select this, minus 0 and minus 1. If you see, the first 3 elements, those sum is what I need. Sum that I need. But if it has become 0, I won't take it. I'll tell you how. So 5. So how do I just iterate and get the answer? If I just have 0, 1, 2, I'm just removing 0, 1, 2. What is the k value? K value is 3. So what I'll do is I'll go from I is equal to 0 and I is less than k, I plus plus. Just a for loop, and from nums of I, nothing but it is from greater to lesser. Nothing but the largest value is from the beginning. So I'll just remove nums of I minus nums of I minus I. That's it. I'm just removing 0 first, and then 1, and then 2, right? Now I'll add that to the answer. Answer plus is equal to nums of I. There is one thing here. Let me do one thing. 5, 3, and then 5, 3, and then okay, let's take 1 and then 1. Okay, I'm taking k is equal to 3. So here first I'll select this, so minus 0, and here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. K is equal to 3, right? I'll select this one, minus 0, minus 1, minus 1. I'll select this one, minus 0, minus 1. If you see, I take these 3 values. First, nums of I minus is equal to 0. Nothing but nums of I will become 5 here. Nums of I minus 1, I is equal to 1. Nums of I minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2. Here, nums of I, nothing but nums of 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 will become minus 1. And nums of I becomes minus 1. But what they have mentioned is we need to remove cannot become negative and gets decremented only if it is positive. So we don't decrement it. If it is negative, I will add 0. Let me write it. If nums of I is greater than 0, then add nums of I itself, else 0. That's it. So this is how you code for I is equal to 0, I is less than k, I plus plus, and return the answer at the end. First, first thing which I have to do, let me remove this. First thing which I have to do, and I said previously, sort nums. I'm saying that nums because I have changed. I'm just assuming it as nums, but given as happiness. Sort nums in decreasing order. Hope you understood this problem, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And this is the code. I have given the code link in the description also. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.